Well, I'm awake, OMG, and waiting. It is 5:29 in the morning. This is wild. I did not wake up for this for like the past 3 months, so here I am with my coffee. Still too hot for me. It's 5:30. It's 5:30. 8:30 EST. Let's see. Why isn't it here? Why isn't it here? It says October 13, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Where is it? Okay, 0.4. That's 40%. Sorry, 0.4 is not 40%, but that's a lot. Let's get into it. I always misspeak. Okay. Seasonally adjusted basis after rising 0.1, now it's 0.4. That's a huge jump. It jumped 0.3. Oh my goodness. So everything's continued to increase in price. Shelter, food, medical care, largest contributor to the seasonally adjusted items increase. They're offset by a decline in the gasoline. Okay, so gasoline declined a little bit, but all of that stuff still went up. It rose, it rose, it rose. And just like it did in August, 8.2 months so far in the past 12 months. You could see all these things adjusted, increase, or unadjusted, sorry. They apparently do their seasonally adjusted later. Some things declined, like energy. Okay, but food is more expensive. Vehicles apparently decline. Used cars decline. Okay, so it's interesting. It's a mixed bag. Anyway, let's look here. 5 day, 5 minute market reacted to this for 2 minutes after the release. Okay, welcome back. So we are 2 minutes after official market open Eastern time, and I wanted to give you an update on what SPY or the overall market did. S&P 500, it gapped down from high in the 357s all the way down to my face is in the way 348. So that's where we're at now. The market, as I said previously earlier, did not like that CPI data. So inflation and higher prices are still very much upon us. So let's see how the rest of the day goes. However, look at this craziness over here. Oops, you cannot see. I'll have to do a screen jump for that. Okay, so now let's jump over to Forex. So the US dollar was strengthening as the stock market was declining. So the USD JPY for comparison against the S&P 500, right? Complete polar opposites, just face ripping up there. But what I thought was interesting as I was watching this morning was there was a liquidity grab, and it just fell off a temporary clip in a matter of seconds. It just shows you that there's so much going on in the market that we're not aware of, and big money and whales that can just make a move and change the direction of anything whenever they want. So there's always bigger money making bigger moves. It dropped in a 5 minute candle like over 100 pips. That's insane. You saw that bottom wick there got picked up and bought up. So I think I was looking to see if there are any headlines, because last time I saw a massive red candle, way bigger than this one, actually it was like 400 pips. It was because the Bank of Japan, for the first time in 24 years, decided to intervene by buying billions of dollars worth of yen. However, in this case, I think it was just a liquidity grab. Some whales came in collectively and sold their position. I think maybe even just because it was up really high. Like, why not secure your profits at that point, or just try to get in a little bit cheaper and scare some people out of their positions, which is always a tactic that is quite common in the market. Anyway, so I was looking and I was thinking, oh my goodness, will this be another BOJ intervention? But it turned out not to be. It stabilized at this level pretty quickly, so we'll see what happens there. However, let's check up on SPY, kind of starting to maybe find a little bit of support, but the market reacted instantly to this data, did not like it. So that's more or less it. I played bearish on SPY and bullish on the USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen. So let me know what you are thinking or how you traded down below. Bye.